it was probably about 3 months ago. That's how I found you. Well, you were just trying to get me back to 100% because I have a lot of problems. But the number one was my diabetes, and then, you know, the feet, and losing weight. And the key here is do it. And you gotta set it up in your mind why you're doing it. It's for better health.
Right.
Because I hear people going, well, I can't get off my pasta, or I can't do, well then, what are you doing here?
Yeah.
You're here for better health.
Yeah.
Like me, I want to enjoy the rest of the days of my life.
Right.
Okay? And that program helped me get rid of a lot of garbage that I didn't even know I had. And it was the best thing that happened to me. It just changed my whole life. I'm eating more vegetables. I go no to all the fast foods and the sweet stuff.
Yeah. So you made up your mind to get better.
Absolutely.
And then we treated you for neuropathy.
Yes.
In your legs and feet.
Right.
Now, how did that work?
It's getting better. Better. It's a lot better. I'm almost to the point where I'm going to beat that too. Yes, I have. I've been using the Tesla and the sauna treatments. And what's so funny is you get in the sauna and you really don't think it's working because, you know, you're sitting there in a box and it's like, man, what's this supposed to be doing? But it does work, you know. My sugar's dropping. I'm getting it under control. I've lost weight. As of today, I weigh 204. And when I came here, I was at 228. And I started at 235. My goal is to get to 190 and be stabilized, never see 200. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. But the key thing they got to remember is why they're coming here. Don't let the bullshit of the world and your friends say, well, you know, it's a witchcraft and all this other crap. You're here to get well. And the only way you're going to get well is following the instructions, taking the supplements and stuff that you need, because it works. You know, and if it didn't work, I wouldn't be sitting here talking to you.
Exactly.
And I wouldn't be feeling as good as I am. And I'm, because when I came here, I was ready to do this, you know. The world's crazy and I was just feeling like crap. And now I feel like I'm ready to kick some ass again, you know.
In there, ex-military.
Oh yeah.
So just say, I would recommend Synergy Wellness Clinic and Dr. Nelson to anyone.
To anyone and everyone, because Dr. Nelson's has a gift that no one else has that I've seen. And he's got a spiritual, and there's something special. I still haven't put my finger on it, but he really cares, and you do want to make us better. And that is your life's work and mission. Where other guys are just there for the money, you know.
It's not me.
No, I know that.
How's that?
I was suffering with sinus headaches and issues for about 4 years. Since I've been on the program Candida, my sinus issues have stopped. I no longer have debilitating headaches. I have a lot more energy, and the bonus is that I've lost 15 pounds. I have a lot more energy. I, prior to getting on this program, felt very lethargic, constantly tired, and I no longer feel that way at all. I would highly recommend it. Even people that I know that have seen a difference in me in the last 6 weeks, most especially the last 3 weeks. It took about 3 weeks, I think, before I really started feeling the effects of it. And they're saying, "Hey, what are you doing? You look different. You look good. I have a new kind of, you know, bounce in my step." So it kind of speaks for itself. Thank you.
I actually heard about the clinic from my sister-in-law. She's a chiropractor out in Virginia. I was visiting this summer, and And she was like, you need to go to see a holistic doctor because your HMO doctors obviously aren't helping you. So that's how I found out about you. Okay. The main problem was diabetes. I've been going to the HMO doctor, and they even sent me to the diabetic clinic and to nutritional counseling and all this, but still my counts were up and down. Neuropathy started getting really bad in my feet. First it was just like tingling, and then it was like needles, and then it was like numb. I was getting so, I even had trouble like driving. You didn't know the pressure on your feet, you know, on the gas pedal. So probably within like 4 or 5 weeks with you, I started seeing the difference. I started dropping weight. Insulin levels came down, like evened out steady, so there's no more of the peaks and the valleys and crashing. And then the my toes were like so totally numb, and it was spread all the way up to like my ankles. So now, after about like 8 weeks, it's like I can feel my toes now. There's no more tingling, no more sharp needle pains. It's like so much better. Yeah, blood sugars are real stable. Right? A1C when I started with you, just what, about 10, 11 weeks ago, was at about 10.3, and last time I checked it was down to 6.9. So they've come way, way down. My insulin usage, being on a sliding scale, has come way, way down too. I used to take like at least 30 units of the Enolog a day. Now on the sliding scale, most I've taken on a single day has been 6. So much less insulin than that. Well, that's about 15 pounds.
So it's getting really nice and stable. Would you recommend other people to come to Dr. Nelson at City Wellness Clinic?
Yeah, I definitely recommend it. It's well worth it to feel better. And I appreciate everything you've done here.
Well, thank you.
I've had a problem with cellulite since I was a young girl, and I tried all kinds of different programs to get rid of the cellulite, exercise, diet. I've been to several naturopaths, and I saw Synergy Wellness Clinic on the internet, and I was very interested in the RAP programs, and that's what brought me in here. When I came in here, I had a very good feeling. Dr. Steve Nelson took me around, showed me some of the programs that he uses, and started doing some testing on me. When I went home, I started reading a little more about it, the Candida, which was what was causing a lot of the cellulite, and I came back and started the 30-day Candida program and the sauna. It's been amazing. It has really, I've lost inches, I've lost cellulite, and I wound up doing the 30-day Candida program 2 times, so it was a total of 60 days. I discovered the Melise products through this program, and I love them. They have products for your skin. They have products for when I have like a swollen knee or something. They have products, anti-inflammatory gel that I use, and everything I've used has been just amazing. I have lost a total of about 18 pounds since I started. The weight loss has been slow and steady, but even greater than that has been the inch loss and my cellulite. I was very sick last year with problems with my digestive system and my skin, and I was always very tired. And when I came in and started the programs, on a scale of 0 to 10, I would say that my energy is now a 9. I feel wonderful. People talk about how clear my skin is, how much better I look and feel, and it has just done wonderful things for me. He's taught me, Dr. Steve Nelson has taught me how to eat right. He's taught me so many things about just how you naturally